Hi, it's Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and I'm going to show you how to make a feather lariat in 1 minute or less. So the first thing I'm going to do is slide my slinky chain through my silicone lined bead slider. I'm just kind of pushing it through in the same direction, both ends of the chain. And it should be a little tight. This is good because this is what holds your chain in place. Okay, now I'm going to put an end crimp on each end of the chain. And now we're ready to add the feathers. We're going to do a pair on each end.
Will you show us in the future how to put the feathers onto those cool little bindings?
I definitely will. That takes a little bit more than a minute, so.
But we do sell them pre-attached at the Bead Gallery, so for your convenience.
Alright, we're just about done here. I have my pairs of feathers attached to the ends of my lariat, and all you have to do is put it in. This, and it slides